Hello, this is Rasanel Paul Kayanan, and this is my assignment for Enhancement 3. So the objectives is to have the My Account link in the home, login, and registration. So it is here. I added that to the header.php snippet. So the key action pair that I put in was command equals login, and if you go to the accounts controller, login will lead to the login page. So if you go to home and click my account, you get the sign in page. Even if you're in the registration page and you click my account, same thing. If you're on the login page and you click my account, you get the same thing. So it's in home, login, and registration. I think it's on template also. Let's check. So even the error message leads to the login. And template goes to when you click my account here, it goes to the login page also. So just a quick validation for the HTML and CSS. It's good. CSS is also good. So if you go to my account, so I already discussed that the key value pair is command and login. So this is also valid HTML and valid CSS. So when we go to the registration page, the key value pair that I chose was command register. So from the login page, you see that the form, or sorry, the login, the click here to register button points to the accounts controller and gives the key value pair command register. And if you go back to the accounts controller, command register is supposed to bring up the registration view. So that's what we have right here, the register view, and that should be valid CSS and valid HTML. Oh. Fname 39. Fix that quick error. It should be good to go. So that's it for my assignment. The registration link, I showed that. Accounts controller switch statement. This is a question I raised on the help page for the class. So instead of the usual action command, I used a different key value for the accounts controller. So I used command instead of action. So that's the, I believe, only difference here. But this example show it does work. So thank you and have a great day. Bye.